Look at this 2009 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Carfax has certified the Silverado 1500 as having one owner. This Silverado 1500 has just under 42,000 miles. For your protection, a warranty is available for this vehicle. This vehicle gets an estimated 14 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 19 on the highway. This Silverado 1500 boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has an automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include power locks and cruise control. Call 866-906-3182 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.